Hello, this is a quick video with a tip on refilling the engine oil on a Triumph Scrambler. Now, I have actually made a full video on doing the oil change on the Scrambler in which I demonstrate what I'm about to show you, but this is a quick video for those people who either haven't seen that or haven't got the patience to sit through that full oil change video. The issue is this: the engine oil filler plug on the Triumph Scrambler is here, which you can see is just below and behind the high level exhaust system. So the exhaust is in the way when you want to refill the engine oil there. So I'll show you what I do. This is what I use. This is a long thin funnel with a pipe I fitted on the end. And with this, you can thread it down behind the exhaust like this into the engine refill hole, and then it's very easy just topping up the oil in that funnel. You see, and it'll go all the way down the back. So that's all you need. You need a tall thin funnel like that, and if it's not long enough, as mine isn't, then just attach a little bit of pipe on the end and that does the trick perfectly. So if you've been struggling to refill your engine oil, I hope that's been useful for you. Thanks for watching.